Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Director jangka Isro, Dr. Sudhir Kumar, hak santrik uyayong arja apulai. Ula ai Pyntip sekipai ba lingba gilat pathai khubor. Haka baydai ba jingpet kre ya jingpelong ya Jingïalang ka ba arsengi jangka arpho tuli gidi ka pathai Nongbah Shillong. Ya ka balatip ng G20 Space Economy Leaders Meeting. Ulai thu ba hagani ka Jingïalang ka ban stang khanyo tare uyayong arja apulai. Kandan ka jingye thir yatai bar ka jingpin inam yiki kam jongkari India ki baydai ba ka hau bar ka jingpin inam yiki mati ubarem baja jongka jalami galaya. Yang ini Jingïalang on sa play ba hakut yat by Marriott Shillong hakba on sa Jingkren daw Somnath S ubulong secretary jong Department of Space Chairman Isro Dr. Pawan Kumar Guyonka ubulong Chairman in Space Amitabh Khan Panka Chaudhary ubulong Menteri Khana ubapet yaga tanat platingka jong Ministry of Finance Dr. Jitendra Singh ubulong Menteri Khana ubapet yaga PMO baru Konrad Kongkal Sangma ubulong Menteri Rangba jong jalami galaya.
We are fortunate that Shillong has been selected as a venue for such a major event, wherein we expect about 28 diplomats from various countries and more than 100 delegates also participating, including technocrats. It will be a rare occasion and opportunity for the state to showcase our own unique culture, our natural beauty, our own cuisine, and most sought after cleanliness, hygiene and hospitality. And getting such a high level delegates to come to our state is a rare occasion. So we should not only from the government side, from the entire community and citizenry should present the best foot forward so that they go back with good memories, fond memories, and that will help in showcasing and benchmarking and positioning Meghalaya as a prime destination of tourism, investment and development. We would have about 28 startups in the space economy sector participating in the event, and we would also have exhibits by the side of the conference, which is going to be held in Marriott, you are aware. Apart from the Isro, Government of India agency, there would be exhibits by the startups also in the space economy industry. We would also showcase our own cultural heritage, there will be cultural events and also stalls from the side of media. I would urge the friends from the media also to really reflect the positive aspect of Meghalaya so that the delegates during their visit also see about whatever the vibrancy of our society, goodness of our community, and our community-based development which we have done so far, which has really positioned us one of the topmost country in community-based preservation, protection of nature and conservation. With this, if you have specific thing on the technical aspect of the G20, I would welcome that. Otherwise, this is a part of the G20 presidency is given to India from 2022. You are all aware of that. It is on circulation, rotation. So this is once in a 20-year opportunity for India to showcase ourselves. So this, across the sector, one good thing which we happened is we are sort of celebrating it as a Jan Bhagidari. The entire G20 is taken to a level of people's participation. So instead of doing it in one city, it is done in every city, most of the cities and most of the capitals. So that is where, even for this event, there's something called economy, responsibility and alliance creation. So in a sector like space economy, you need alliances because it's a technology is something which is naive and at a different level. If the countries can't participate and share, it can't really get into the fruitful end. So with this in mind, the earlier G20 countries like Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Italy and Indonesia has also since 2020 has done these kind of events for collaboration. This is a sort of continuity for that which we are doing in Shillong. The theme of the G20 is One Earth, One Space and One Future, which is part of our national ethos, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So this is where we pitch in and we would like to have a positive alliance and collaboration across the globe for a better future for the mankind. And to be specific, most of the technical sessions are going to be selective and almost in camera. because there's around technical alliances on B2B, and there will be some delegate level interaction which will be open to public. Other than that, these are all highly technical sessions which will be taken part by USSR, China, and the leaders of space agency. Am I right?
Yes. It will happen at Bangalore from 6th and 7th of July. Most the ambassadors will be coming over here for this precursor event. Basically, diplomacy is only the way to take it forward. Any kind of such kind of alliances or cooperations and coordinations, as Principal Secretary has mentioned. So this event basically concentrates on the main event, how it is going to organize, and rather a precursor event to showcase all the capabilities in the space economy and space potential capabilities of Isro. Because having spent almost 50 years, Indian Space Research Organization and Department of Space has acquired self-reliance and capabilities in not only with the launch vehicle, satellite applications and navigations. So this particular message we want to give to the world, stating that collaborations are possible for future science missions where the space is going to be very expensive industrial proposition. And especially space sciences, we require collaboration. So these are all the things we wanted to spell it out, and India in more to say that why economy has been added is because of the land use, land mass and huge, let us say, the population opportunities, huge opportunities are available in India. Now post let us say, reforms which were announced by the government of India, more industry is pitching into the space domain unlike earlier. These are all the opportunities. International business communities and business stalwarts can come over to India either through FTAs or joint ventures or consortiums to expand the space business so that our economy will be improved. So why this particular chosen, the Shillong was chosen is northeast states are very, very important for us because hilly areas, potential is more, and the reachability is also more. Even in spite of such kind of hard conditions, the space applications is the best, let's say, technology for improving the social life, the economy, and utilizing the natural resources. So that is the reason. Incidentally, we have Northeast Space Application Center doing a great job in extending the necessary technologies to the northeastern states. So we wanted to showcase that here also in this area also we have a lot of potential opportunities for the space industries to come, invest, contribute to the economy and society of the Indian community. That is the reason. The next main event would be in July 6th and 7th at Bangalore. This is the precursor to the main event, which, as Dr. Beda was mentioning about, we will explain in the third session what we are going to discuss more when heads of space agencies will come to main event during July. Basically, the space is the best technology that can be adopted, that can be used for the, especially weather satellites. We have weather satellites, we have insight satellites, and we have models which will predict the weather in a very pretty probabilistic way, 90%, 60 to 70% probability using the space technology. But it is not enough if you have technology. Somebody should be there to raise to the occasion, utilize the technology and put it into the applications. So this is more important. Capacity building is very important for us. We have to train the people, we have to educate the people, we have to develop the tools and necessary infrastructure that is required for utilizing these tools for the common man. That is the part of the success. In fact, NISAC is doing the same thing. Now drone applications are coming. To predicting avalanches, to predicting even resources. Last time I was in Arunachal Pradesh, the was telling how, what are all the different crops that are possible in this area. Soil fertility is possible, soil moisture can be assessed through space technologies. In a way, we can assess very easily what kind of crops can grow. Because where tourism is possible, if that places are not, let us say, made for tourism, using space technology, let us say accessibility to the area. How many days in a year that area is amenable for reaching the people, whether any access control restrictions are there. When you do develop that area, obviously economy will increase, employment will increase, everything will get.
We also have the head of bilateral cooperation of Roscosmos, the state space agency of Russia, and the director also attending. We have minister from China attending, minister from the minister council, and almost more than 10 ambassadors attending. It's a big event. I think we should be able to project ourselves in a positive manner, and it will really lead the way for space application for the public also. This is what I'm sure one of the gentlemen has mentioned. It should be helpful for predicting, modeling the changing nature and how to prevent it. So technology can only aid. Behavioral change is far more important. Thank you very much.